For years, treatment options for chronic hives, also known as urticaria, have been limited, and for many, finding lasting relief has been a frustrating journey. But today, the landscape has changed. Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Kara Wada. I am a board-certified allergy, immunology, lifestyle medicine physician. I'm also someone who lives with chronic illness, and I'm jumping on today with some truly exciting and long-awaited news for anyone who has struggled with chronic spontaneous urticaria, CSU, or what many of us just call chronic hives. The FDA in the last couple of weeks has just approved a new medication from Novartis called remibrutinib, which is marketed as Rhapsido. This is a huge development, and here is why. Rhapsido, or remibrutinib, is a game changer for chronic hives because it is a first-of-kind oral treatment that we call a BTK inhibitor. No, we're not talking about the K-pop band. This is a different kind of drug. So what does it mean in simple terms? BTK, or Bruton's tyrosine kinase, is an enzyme inside your immune system cells, especially your mast cells and your B cells, that acts like an on switch for inflammation. When this switch is flipped, it leads to the release of histamine and other chemicals that cause those itchy, frustrating hives. Remibrutinib works by blocking this BTK switch and then essentially tells the mast cells to calm the heck down, don't release histamine, and targeting this specific pathway offers a highly effective and targeted way to control hives right at the source. And it's not just a Band-Aid covering up the itch, it's working on a deeper level to prevent the reaction from happening in the first place. So why is this news so exciting? It's obviously fantastic news for the millions of people living with chronic hives. Having a new and effective targeted oral option is a massive step forward, but here's why I'm personally really thrilled and pretty damn excited about how this may be even a broader drug to help some of our patients in the overlap between allergy and autoimmunity. This same medication, remibrutinib, also has been in the pipeline and looked at for Sjogren's disease at a different dosage. So why I am personally so thrilled and why this is relevant is that we know that our B cells and other immune pathways involving BTK are also major players in inflammation and damage that happens in Sjogren's. And I have a number of patients that seem to have an overlap between Sjogren's disease and misbehaving mast cells. They have chronic hives or other symptoms that would be really suggestive of mast cell activation. The reality is that no one has actually ever explored scientifically a connection between these two conditions. And the fact that this medication has now been proven safe and effective for another chronic inflammatory condition and has received FDA approval is an incredibly hopeful sign. It shows that targeting this specific part of the immune system is a viable and powerful strategy that we may be able to apply to other conditions. For those of us in the autoimmune community, including those of us living with Sjogren's, this isn't just news about a different condition. It is a beacon of hope, a sign that science is moving forward and that researchers are understanding these complex immune pathways better, and that new targeted treatments for us are getting closer and closer. So, looking ahead, I have cautious optimism. The course and the journey for Sjogren's drug approval is still ongoing and research takes time. But today's news is significant and a powerful step in the right direction for a possible medication that may help people living with multiple conditions that bridge that allergy autoimmune spectrum. It's a win for patients, for science, and a huge boost of hope for everyone living with chronic immune-mediated conditions. I will be following the upcoming trials for more medications that are under the treatment pipeline for Sjogren's disease, mast cell-related disorders. We'll be sure to keep all of you updated as we learn more. This kind of progress is exactly why I do what I do. If you are looking for personalized, in-depth care from a physician who's passionate about staying on the cutting edge of immunology, I'd be honored to work with you. You can discover all the information about the Immune Confident Institute and take a look at our team, which really takes a comprehensive, holistic plan that's personalized for your health. For daily support and connection with others who truly get it, please join our free Facebook groups. All this information is down below in the notes. All the links are there. You can click on them. It's a wonderful place to share experiences, ask questions, to find your people. You can find the links for our Immune Confident Institute and our support groups in the description below. Let's share the hope. What are your thoughts on this exciting news? Does it give you hope for the future of treatment? And let's talk in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an important update like this one. Again, take care.